Hi, welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to look at elective maths question number 13 for Sierra Leone Wassce 2025. And the question was on statistics, mean and variance. And the question is, if the mean and variance of 1, 9, x, 6, y, 8 are 6 and 6 whole number 2 out of 3 respectively, find the values of x and y. And this is our question. So it means that this one, we need to do some applications here. So let's see. Finding mean, which is x bar, is equal to sigma x over n. So adding all of that. So with the mean, we have 6 is equal to, because the mean is 6, is equal to, adding the whole of this 1 plus 9 plus x plus 6 plus y plus 8 all over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all over 6. So with this, we can just do cross multiplication. So this multiply, we have 36 is equal to 1 plus 9, we have 10, 10 plus 16, we have 24. So 24 plus x plus y. So it means we can just bring this one here. So x plus y, because 36 minus 24 will give us 12. And that's our first equation. Now, we come to the variance. And variance is, we have sigma x squared over n minus the mean squared. Minus the mean squared. So with this, it means that we can have adding the square of this. So it means we can, let me even draw that. We have our x, we have x squared. We have 1, we have 9, we have x, we have 6, we have y, and we have 8. I'm going to have sigma x squared. So this one, you have 1. 9 squared, you have 81. We have x squared, we have 36. We have y squared, and you have 64. So adding the whole of that will give us, we have 1 plus 81 plus 36 plus 64 will give us 182 plus x squared plus y squared. And that's sigma x squared. And we already know the mean. So we are going to substitute it into this. So our variance from the question is 20 out of, a 6 whole number, 2 out of 3. So 6 whole number, 2 out of 3 can be written as, this will give you 20 out of 3. So that's our variance. So substituting into this, we have 20 out of 3 is equal to, this one is giving us 182 plus x squared plus y squared all over 6 minus sigma x squared. So what does that mean? Mean is 6 squared. I can just simplify this side. So 20 out of 3 is equal to, the LCM for this one will be 6. It goes, so we have, goes here 1. So 1 multiplied, we have 182 plus x squared plus y squared minus, this one is also 36. So this one, 6 times 36 will give us 6 times 36, 216 minus 216. So at this stage, I can just do some manipulations here, do some cross multiplication here. So 6 will cross and multiply that, or I can multiply 2 by the LCM 6. So this plays by 6, this plays by 6. So this goes here 2. So 2 times 40 is equal to, this will cancel that. So we have x squared plus y squared, 182 minus 216 will give me minus 34. So now this one goes here. So I'm going to have x squared plus y squared is equal to 74. And that's my equation 2. So I have equation 1 to be x plus y is equal to 12. As I said, equation 1. And you have x squared plus y squared is equal to 74, equation 2. So with this, I can make y the subject here and substitute into this equation. So in equation 1, make y the subject. In equation 1. So y will give me 12 minus x. So wherever I see y, I substitute 12 minus x into the second equation. So we have x squared plus 12 minus x all squared is equal to 74. So I can expand this. So x squared plus this, expanding this one, multiplying itself will give you 144. This time that will give you minus 12 times 2 minus 24x. Then this one multiplying itself with plus x squared is equal to 74. So I have 2x squared minus 24x. Then this one will also come here, having 144 minus 74. I'm going to get 70 plus 70 equal to 0. So to simplify this, I can divide this one by 2, each of them by 2. So divide, you have x squared minus 12x plus 35 equal to 0. So this one, the next thing is for me to factorize this. Two numbers that multiply to give you positive 35, but add to give you negative 12. And that will be negative 5, negative 7. So I'm moving on. X minus 5, x minus 7 equal to 0. So x is equal to 5 or 7. X is equal to 5 or 7. Now, getting x to be 5 or 7, it means I have to also find y. So y will also be, or when x is equal to 5, y will give me 12 minus 5, and that one will also be 7. And when x is equal to 7, y will give me 12 minus 7, and that will also be 5. So this one will give me both x and y. So x is equal to either 5, x is equal to 5 or 7, and y will also give me 5 or 7, depending on each of them. That is the solution to question number 13. Continue to subscribe to Francois Maths Class on all our social media channels. Have a nice day and bye-bye.